It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Please be mine. Welcome back, my home warrior nation. I'm Mr. Morales, and welcome to another edition of Physical Education at Home. But if you're wondering why I'm asking you to be quiet, it's because today we're taking a tour of the jungle. That's right. And we're gonna check out some cool animals, like maybe we'll see some monkeys, different types of birds, elephants, and maybe even lions. That's right, boys and girls. We're doing another cardiovascular activity. You guessed it. We have another dance challenge. So get yourself ready. As you can see, I'm ready with my camouflage so I can hide from the danger. But boys and girls, it is time. So let's go. Okay, boys and girls, when we're talking about cardiovascular fitness, we want to remind you that we want you to do at least, you could do a lot more, but at least 20 minutes of nonstop cardiovascular activities. The goal is to get your heart pumping for 20 minutes. And as it's pumping faster, it is getting stronger and you are staying healthy. So for today's dance challenge, we are going to be dancing to The Lion Sleeps Tonight. Okay, so I'm going to show you the tutorial. After we're done, you can hit the link below and go right into the challenge. But it is time to do what we always do. Boys and girls, it's time to face our fears. It is time to overcome obstacles and remind ourselves that hard work always leads to victory. It is warrior mode time. So let's go. That's better. All right, boys and girls, we are ready for a challenge. So let's begin. Let's go. Okay, boys and girls, in order to speed things up, I'm going to narrate the moves right now. So as we begin our walk to the jungle, we're doing opposite hand to opposite knee. So we're hand to opposite knee. And then we start to kind of hop and we're alternating hands back and forth, right? And then we're going to come to our first part, which is we see this beautiful scenery, right? Our beautiful jungle, and we're admiring the beautiful scenery, but then we're afraid of the lion, but the lion's sleeping. At this point, boys, we do it exactly the same way, same exact movement, and then after that, we're gonna become our first animal. And our first animal, boys and girls, is a monkey. So we're kind of doing our monkey dance. We're gonna go into one direction, come back. Remember, the point is to keep moving, going to the other direction as you keep your monkey dance going, and then we're gonna come back to our walk, right? So as we're walking, right, we're walking, and then we're looking into the horizon. We're looking, and we see our lion, but he's sleeping. And then we're looking at the beautiful village, looking for that beautiful village, and then we're always together the lion sleeping, and then we're gonna become our next animal, which is a bird. And now you're gonna go as a bird. You're gonna go into one direction. And you're gonna keep flying, and you're flying any bird you want to be. Think of a beautiful bird back and forth, and you're gonna come to the middle, go back to your walk, right? So we're walking, and then the last part of this dance kind of looks like you're shushing everybody, right? Because once again, the lion, but the lion's sleeping, shushing everybody to stay quiet, 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 quiet. We do our lion pose, back to sleep mode, and then we're becoming an elephant. So, boys and girls, pretty much we're an elephant and we're walking one direction as we use our arm as a trunk. Remember to keep kind of skipping because you don't just want to walk. You want to keep a fast movement. And then the last part of this song is we go back to the first part where we're looking at the beautiful horizon. We create a lion pose, back to sleep, and then you shush the village. And boys and girls, that's the whole dance. Let's go. So that was the Lion Sleeps Tonight Dance Challenge tutorial. And if you're ready for the actual dance and challenge, hit the link below and it is time. So come on, boys and girls, let's go get this.